Creo Parametric 9.0 added ease of use improvements when handling the children of deleted or suppressed features. Let's take a look at how that works in Creo 8.0 so we understand the enhancements. Here I am in a part model. It is obviously complex. Let's say that I want to suppress a feature. I will click on it in the graphics area, and then from the mini toolbar, here is the suppress tool. When I click on it, well, it highlights a whole bunch of other features and geometry in my model, and I get the warning. Highlighted features will be suppressed. Please confirm or select options for advanced options. Okay, let me see what the options are. When I click on that, that opens up the children handling dialog box, and we have a number of children in here. The default action is to suppress, but let's say I don't want to suppress the child. Well, I can click on the status, and from the drop-down list, I could choose suspend instead. And let's say I wanted to suspend all of these, well, I would have to do that one by one for all of the different children. Hey, that's a little tedious. Let me cancel out of here and then cancel once more. Let's take a look at delete. Well, let's say I want to delete this feature. I will click on it with the left mouse button, then use the right mouse button to get to the delete command. And when I choose that, once again, we get the warning. Let's click on options. And now I have a longer list of features that would be deleted. Once more, if I wanted to suspend them instead, well, I can choose that status from the drop-down list. But again, I would have to do that one by one for all the children of this parent feature. All right, let's cancel out and now take a look at how this works in Creo Parametric 9.0. Okay, same part model. Let's go to the same original feature, left click on it, and then choose suppress from the mini toolbar. Hey, now we have a new dialog box. It tells us the selected items and their children are highlighted. Select one handling method for all the children, or click Edit Details to select a separate method for each child. Well, okay, so here we have suppress all or suspend all. We can apply one action to everything. And if I click on Edit Details, well, here it lists all the different children, and the default action is suppress. Well, I can click suspend, and it'll apply suspend to all of them, and then I could click one or two or however many I want in order to suppress just a few of them. So a lot more flexibility here. Let's cancel out and see what happens with delete. I'll click the same feature I did before. Right mouse click and hold. Let's choose delete. And once again, we get the dialog box where we can quickly pick whether we want to delete all or suspend all. If we click on edit details, well, we get the list of all the children, and we could set the default action for all the children to be suspend instead of delete, and then apply individual actions to the ones that we want to delete. So again, much easier way of handling the children in Creo Parametric 9.0.